Why don't Jamaicans play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when the smell of delicious ackee and saltfish is in the air. Imagine a place where the air is thick with the enticing aroma of spices, where the national dish is a vivid mix of ackee fruit and salted codfish, sautéed with onions, scotch bonnet peppers, and tomatoes. Welcome to Jamaica, a culinary paradise that offers a unique blend of flavors and ingredients. Here, the dish of honor, ackee and saltfish, often graces breakfast tables alongside breadfruit, hard dough bread, dumplings, or boiled green bananas. So join me in the kitchen as we whip up a batch of this mouth-watering dish. Like any masterpiece, our dish starts with quality ingredients. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter, the ingredients of the renowned ackee and saltfish, a dish with a rich history that is savored by the Jamaican people and visitors alike. And like every great story, each character, or in this case, ingredient, plays a unique role in the plot. First up, we have the star of the show, the ackee. This fruit, which was brought to the Caribbean from Ghana before 1725, is the national fruit of Jamaica. It's not just an ingredient, it's a symbol of the Jamaican culture and heritage. After being boiled to perfection, the ackee adds a unique, creamy, slightly nutty flavor that beautifully complements the other ingredients. Next, we introduce the saltfish, also known as salted codfish. It brings a savory, salty balance to the dish, creating a delightful contrast to the mild and buttery ackee. Saltfish isn't just a flavor provider, it's a texture enhancer, adding a pleasing firmness that works in harmony with the softness of the ackee. The supporting cast includes onions, scotch bonnet peppers, and tomatoes. The onions provide a sweet yet sharp flavor that adds depth to the dish. The scotch bonnet peppers, notorious for their heat, add an exciting kick that will wake up your taste buds. But fear not, the tomatoes are there to cool things down with their juicy freshness and subtle sweetness. And let's not forget the final touch, the seasoned spices like pepper and paprika. These spices are the silent heroes of the dish, working in the background to tie all the flavors together into one cohesive, mouth-watering masterpiece. So, there you have it. The ackee and saltfish isn't just a dish, it's a symphony of flavors and textures, a culinary representation of Jamaica's vibrant culture and history. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, contributing to the overall harmony of the dish. With these ingredients on hand, we're ready to start cooking. First up on our cooking adventure is the star of the show, the ackee. Now, let's dive into the art of preparing this vibrant yellow fruit that's the heart of our Jamaican national dish. For those unfamiliar, ackee might seem a bit intimidating at first, but fear not. With a few simple steps, you'll be a pro in no time. Our first task is to clean the ackee. We're going to start by removing the red outer shell. When you're doing this, remember to be gentle. You want to preserve the soft, creamy yellow flesh inside. This part of the fruit is what we're after, so handle with care. Next, we're going to get rid of the black seeds. They're not edible and can be quite toxic if consumed, so make sure they're all out. You'll notice 3 or 4 seeds in each pod, depending on the size of the fruit. Just pop them out with the tip of a knife or your fingers. Now that we have our cleaned, seedless ackee, it's time for a rinse. Put them in a colander or strainer and give them a good wash under cold running water. This helps to remove any leftover fragments. Once your ackee is all clean, it's on to the boiling. Fill a pot with enough water to cover the ackee and bring it to a boil. Then gently place the ackee into the boiling water. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know it's done when the ackee becomes soft to the touch and changes to a deeper yellow color. Remember to drain the boiled ackee well. You don't want any excess water, as it can make your dish soggy. And just like that, you've mastered the art of preparing ackee. It's a simple process, but one that's crucial to the success of our dish. The tender, buttery texture of well-prepared ackee is a delight in itself and forms the perfect canvas for the flavors we're about to introduce. And with that, our ackee is ready for the next phase of our culinary journey. Now that our ackee is prepared, it's time to turn our attention to the saltfish. This humble salt-cured cod is the second star of our Jamaican national dish. It's been waiting patiently, and now it's time for it to shine. First off, we need to desalt the fish. Yes, you heard right. Saltfish is, as the name suggests, quite salty, We don't want our dish to be overwhelmingly salty, so we soak the fish in cold water. This isn't a quick process, mind you. We'll need to let it soak overnight or for at least 8 hours. Patience is key here. Once our saltfish has had its long, relaxing bath, we're going to boil it. This might seem like overkill after the soaking, but trust me, it's necessary. Boiling helps to further remove the salt and also softens the fish, making it easier to flake. So pop your saltfish into a pot of water, bring it to a boil, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Now, it's flaking time. After boiling, our saltfish will be tender and easy to pull apart. Using a fork, we'll flake the fish into small bite-sized pieces. Be sure to remove any bones that you come across. We want our guests to be focused on the flavors, not fishing out bones from their meal. And there we have it. Our saltfish has been desalted, boiled, and flaked. It's been quite a journey for our little fish, but it's not over yet. The saltfish is now ready to meet its partner, the ackee. Stay tuned as we bring these two together to create a dish that's truly a taste of Jamaica. With our main ingredients prepared, it's time to bring this dish to life. We've journeyed from the fields of Jamaica where ackee fruit grows to the depths of the ocean where saltfish swim. Now, we're going to unite these two in a dance of flavors, evoking the vibrant spirit of the Caribbean. First, let's heat up a pan and add a splash of oil. As the oil shimmers, it's time to introduce our aromatic companions: finely chopped onions, Scotch bonnet peppers, and ripe tomatoes. Let them sizzle and mingle, releasing their distinct fragrances into the air. As these ingredients saute, they create a symphony of scents that fills the kitchen. The onions become translucent, the peppers lend their fiery heat, and the tomatoes melt into a savory sauce. This is the backdrop against which our main characters, the ackee and saltfish, will shine. Next, we introduce the star of the show, the saltfish. Toss it into the pan, letting it bask in the flavors of the sautéed veggies. Watch as it absorbs the piquant essence of the Scotch bonnet and the sweetness of the tomatoes. Now it's time for the ackee to join the party. Gently fold the cooked ackee into the pan, careful not to break its tender pieces. The ackee melts into the mix, its buttery texture contrasting beautifully with the flaky saltfish. Finally, we season the dish with a bit of pepper and paprika to taste. Stir gently, allowing all the flavors to marry and harmonize. The vibrant colors, the tantalizing aroma, and the medley of flavors are a testament to the Jamaican spirit, bold, lively, and full of zest. And there you have it, a delicious plate of ackee and saltfish, the pride of Jamaican cuisine. Now that's what I call a successful cooking adventure. We've journeyed through the tantalizing world of Jamaican cuisine, unearthing the secrets behind the national dish, ackee and saltfish. We've discovered the unique symphony of flavors that each ingredient brings to the table. From the rich, buttery ackee fruit, imported from Ghana before 1725, to the robustly salty codfish, each component plays a crucial role in creating this culinary masterpiece. We've also delved into the art of preparation, understanding the importance of sautéing the salt cod to perfection and boiling the ackee just right. We've seen the magic that unfolds when onions, Scotch bonnet peppers, and tomatoes join the fray, seasoned with spices like pepper and paprika. Then, we brought it all together, combining these individual elements into a harmonious blend that is as much a treat for the eyes as it is for the palate. And let's not forget the traditional sides that complete this dish, be it breadfruit, hard dough bread, dumplings, or boiled green bananas. Just remember, whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, cooking is an adventure. It's all about exploring, experimenting, and most importantly, enjoying the process. So, the next time you're in the mood for a taste of Jamaica, remember, the perfect plate of ackee and saltfish is just a few steps away. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.